Hey everyone, today I'm going to be opening my garage door. So the Master 8550, show you what it looks like. This Master has no light. So the door, bracket sensor, I don't know. You can hear something outside. I'm going to be running it inside and outside. So, yeah, let's just stop talking and get it running. Here we go. Open. Notice there's no light. It's a little loud. Yeah, it's dark outside. Well, I turned the lights on anyway. And now close it. You notice it's a little bright. You notice the light. I'm not going to test the sensor in this video, maybe in the next video. I'm going to just run it up one more time. I'll probably do a sensor test soon. Yeah. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Plus, like and subscribe. If you don't like and subscribe, then don't comment anything.